say ade we be ma munyamesom aye basa nyamesom aye basa
no na djuma o ye no no ndini nyamesom na be basa no
then we have a problem
be come ya wo but me dina na so abo e come ya se nipa o bo no onya bibi
nti o come nti ube ja onyamesom atom pansan
onya mesom tum pan but say so say ade na wo ye se bi se so ye to offer the man
e the man ye to offer man of wo ye to manyame ana
ye the say ko nyame so for na this kind.
Oh my goodness,
it's in wo de enya the instrumentalist.
Much love, family. How are you doing? I believe you are doing so well. We thank God for your life. I can't wait. I couldn't wait. And glory be to God. Today is the first show of Time with Elmosi. Glory, hallelujah. Listen to me. I believe you've subscribed. I believe you've turned on the notification button. And I believe you shared the link, all right? That's good. God bless you. Make sure you send your questions, all right? Come to the comment section. Put in there, let's go. I will definitely respond to you. This is Time with Elmosi. I am your host, Danny Dancer, the worship missionary, and I'm so excited for the first episode. And today I have a fantastic minister in the house. But before we get there to discuss something on worship, I want to set a foundation because this program is all about worship. We discuss worship, we study worship, we listen to worship music, and we listen to ministers and all that. That is what I was telling you the last time. There's going to be spirit-tainment, infotainment. Why? Because worship, spiritual, but it's going to be exciting. Worship, information, but it's going to be informative, but it's going to be fun. Are you getting it? Wonderful. So don't miss this show for anything. Make sure every Wednesday, the episode, you are not missing out of any of the episode. God bless you so much. Today, before we kickstart, I want to look at worship definition. What is worship? Worship here, worship there, and all that. And today I'll give you a reason why you have to be part of this show every time. Because we have at heart the interest to help you build a positive worship life. Are you getting it? A positive worship life. Do you know why? Because all of us will give worship every day. Everybody gives worship because everybody is a worshiper. Today I will shock you on this show, and every time I will shock you on this show, you cannot miss it for anything, all right? Now, among all the definitions, worship is defined as the act of deifying something or someone. The act of deifying something or someone. So it means that in your life there is a deity. Either a spirit, a human being, or a thing. Are you getting it? So everybody is a worshiper. You give worship to a particular deity. And the question will be answering in the days ahead. Who is your deity in worship? And then there are two arms of worship. And we look at the worship allegiance. We look at the worship adoration. Your worship allegiance determines the kind of adoration you give to your object of worship. And so don't miss this at all. We go to church and then we praise and we worship God. The thanksgiving, praise and worship we give to God is our worship adoration. But the reason why we go to church, we are allegiance. Our allegiance is unto the Lord. We are allegiant unto Him. So you make sure that because you know Him, you believe in Him, you have faith in Him, and you love Him, that's why you go to church, and that is why you give Him all the worship. You lift your hands and you praise Him, and you give Him all you sing all those beautiful songs because of your allegiance. And so on this show we'll be discussing, it's a very crucial topic, a very controversial topic. We go to church because we are with God and we go to adore Him. Okay, so in church there are praise and worship leaders, those who lift their voice and they bless the Lord. They pull all the whole church together, and then we worship God. And so the praise and worship leaders who lead us to do the other form of arm of worship, which is the adoration, must they be paid in church? Those who play musical instruments, must they be paid in church because they are coming to lead us to worship God? And everybody comes to church to worship God. So the leader, must they be paid, especially those who play the instruments? We're going to discuss this one. I know a lot of music men and women, instrumentalists and singers. Oh my goodness, this is at their heart. I know they are thinking about it so much, and this show is bringing you something awesome. So worship is the act of deifying something or someone. So the question is, whom are you deifying? Listen, there is a deity, and then there is what? The worshipper. The deity is the object of the worship, okay? And then the worshipper is the subject of the object. And so that is one thing that happens. So the subject gives the object the worship. So your act of worshiping God is your act of deifying God. And so we are going to engage to look at this discussion that I've already introduced. A very controversial topic. Must those who lead us in church, in praise and worship, adoring God, must they be paid? I will be back. Welcome back. You are still on time with MOC, and just as I told you, I have in the studio a very fantastic music minister. He plays almost all the musical instruments. Woo, minyanaye. And so, help me welcome Minister Nana J. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's how they say it, right? Respect, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And never J. Wow. Minister, you're welcome.
Thank you for having
Shortly, who is Minister Nana J?
Okay, Nana J is just a simple normal guy who plays the musical instrument.
Like simple normal?
Simple.
How simple? How normal?
Simple normal like every other guy.
Oh, okay. So how many instruments do you play, sir?
Basically, I started playing trumpet. Then I switched from trumpet to bass guitar. Then
will you teach me how to play sax?
Yeah. So currently I'm a drummer. Now I play the drums.
Wow, wonderful. Then you are the right person for this one, because a lot of music ministers, especially those who play the instruments, and there was this thing that we go to church to lead the praise and worship and all that, and they want to be paid and all that. We want to look at this because it is at heart. Must music ministers in church be paid?
Thank you for this opportunity. I believe music ministers, especially instrumentalists, must be paid.
Wow.
Yes, I believe they must.
Really?
Be paid. Yes.
Why?
Because the reason why I'm saying they must be paid is because some of us don't do any other job apart from playing the musical instrument.
Okay.
Some go to church on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, probably say Fridays and Sundays too.
Really?
So almost 4 or 5 days of the week.
Almost every day.
Yes, you are in church. You do nothing apart from playing the musical instrument. So you have to be paid. That is what you.
So that they can survive.
Obviously. So you have to be paid.
Woo. So can you take us there? Would they be able to say that if you don't give me money, I will not pay? Should they say that?
Well, they have every right to say if you don't give me money, I won't pay. Some way, somehow. It's a kind of a 50-50 talk, you understand? Because as I said earlier, some of us don't do any other job apart from playing the musical instrument. Others who have their own petty job they are doing their stuff. So if, let's say me for instance, I am not working and what I do is playing the drums at church from Mondays to Sundays, you don't expect me to go and be stealing or doing other small things.
Stealing bar.
Say I come de nipa na or baby. You understand? I said, I saw in this conversation is kind BB like hard.
You are talking about the fact that you own your juma. You are bringing in something. In the say you own your instruments.
Oh, almost 50%, 70-80%.
And I almost
juma because instruments, you know, are more born. Me, for instance, after senior high school, me said that could for music school. We could share
school.
Yes.
To certificate.
Shout out to Mr. Thomas and Minister David. There was Shalom Music Academy.
Kudos.
Shalom Music Academy.
Wonderful.
We said that could share.
Okay.
Many the likes of anything free, you know, in made school.
Wow.
Yes. And any other musicians and instrumentalists. It's about kusha, makuchi eska na kwa kusha. I passion and talent, but me konya nimdie kakra.
Okay.
Intino me boy sorry. I say sorry no say me kusha. Me obi no oda sorry ye na ohun keyboard lead boy na bibi bu.
Okay. Na sa sorry nso ntumi ntu aka nso be.
Any thing na sorry ntumi ntu aka.
Say asori bia na ho ade.
Wa ho ade say ya ho ade be. Kasa. The problem churches and pastors and instrumentalists are having is ye nim komo.
Okay.
Ye nti ya ho ase.
Okay.
Oye sofo wa be from na person bia wo be bom me keyboard be bom me we man. Chinipa ne tena ase. Me ba so me ya sorry Mondays, Thursdays, any be a Sundays, any be a Friday, maybe I do Tuesday, me watch it. Maybe I say, but who days no say obetimi a na naka. Me ba so what the make and I say, but pastors ni go ho ma. Oh, me here wa me frɛ.
Intina say enye bone say wo beka sika ho asem.
That be
Nemum eye bone say wo be sika ne di wanim say wo ama mi sika memmo. Eno so
one man sika memmo na it depends on the situation because one man sika memmo. Because yeah, without instrumentalists automatically there is no musicians. Without instrumentalists and musicians automatically there is no church. Can
you rewind? Are you sure?
Without instrumentalists and musicians there is no church. My pastor for instance, or preacher now we yeah. Or better they be a first strength keyboard, first strength and twice. 2 hours, 3 hours to be preacher, first strength and twice.
Me say yes that sorry and yeah prison worship so for be preacher beto nyum o preaching kwa ye bo bi fast here o preach we your pagya nyum ye via sound
offering
baby I say enyum ni ani announcement time by no so gan check
instrumentals come on check
and they was so they must be paid.
Yes. And one problem is to say be a big churches no. Okay, you will to our sorry no. We are sorry ba. Problem ba kono. Nti no. We are sorry ba. But some people be fair about 10 ba months, year, day, you man one city no. Now we are sorry ba. What is we are sorry ba? At least if I njuma or you know, or ye the boy na njuma say not even necessarily cry say be a ya tena say air can see kasem kwa pese so from one city bimpo no efe one city bimpo no efe so for kwa na wo say na you botum sika kra ma na afia so you feel like afia so oh ye ma for ye fan to church no enim oh ye instrumentalist ni ye singers no ye mo mo ni ma for ye de e mo every
but no can be and better ye hwe ni ye say without instrumentalists and musicians there's no church. That one day I disagree. Because there are churches that they don't even use music. There are churches that they don't use instrumentalists. Just that. So
the reason why
what you are saying
without them there's no church in here say the reason why I'm a cancer and say baby I'm quite sorry for instance. I sorry me quite sorry I worship here. Me who the reason why I'm sorry me.
Then it should be like some churches.
90%
music. Hey. When you have the power,
90%.
It should be some churches.
Instrumentalists only here. Musicians.
No, here just like in every
you
church,
should be paid.
they will watch your ushers, your prayer warriors. They will administration protocol. To be out here, the question is, if all these departments they are very very useful to the church, then why should we single out only the musicians?
We are not picking out only musicians and instrumentalists.
Because right now you just said that without them there is no church. But we know that the church is the Lord of the church is Jesus Christ. So without Jesus, there's no church.
There is no church necessarily. Say, "Oh man, buy into me natural." Oh man, baby, to come and say, "Actually, I do offer you." But omu role now omu play say. Obi a pepe pa akonya no so a instrumentalist say bi won timi be je won to no say engineer na ba oto nyon kwa bi a emfa enye de nti obi ye bibi nkete de boa asori no
so because who say so much important a change obi a wo church won no nti na mu giska
nti na yes
so e was mu disikesi mu ni so say osofo e na de busumi aso 500 Ghana wa fa man ya yembo na mo pie na mo ko another church na so betina asori ni na ma tie nyame asema na say because a lot of instrumentalists they go to church just because they're going to play.
So my friends on the Boshabo.
Yeah. So what about instrumentalists making sure say accepting that this is my church, this is my place of planting. Okay, then the working for the church become the secondary matter.
Very few.
So why shouldn't say the main thing for instrumental?
So why I'm friend will be friend. Sorry, yeah, I'm from sorry, be different.
Ebusafo asem we mu do ye pa na believe say wonso we nya suahunu bi wo mu ayi guso ye pese we nya wie ye one we crown no nkasa kan say asem we asem mu do esu ye pa nti be koso a pense mu but me pese wo si bibi su dua say ya frɛ say bra be ye nyamedwuma bu gidi say nyamedwuma nti ko minister wo church no na wakɔ wo si morning na hand microphone na
And you believe and I name say
is it good?
To be frank, it's not good. It's not good at all. And because you believe say na juma ni no from Mondays to Sunday na juma o ye didi no one on permanent to nso nyebe keyboard no body didi. It is say sorry obana so when ntimi a sorry be my friend nti me feel say problem na e sure ho no dey buy ye aso okay aso for e dey buy ka so for nya meet one command na bom say enkra wa aso no ye go po bi fa bonten ba no be che enkra ni keyboard ni mo anye bi enkra 2 3 bit me ani be je ho enkra 4 5 bi ni be je drums lead bass it is say omma me ye no meet no period
na mo yin ndi say ade we be ma mo nya mesom aye basa nya mesom aye basa
no na juma all ye no no jini nya mesom na be basa no.
Then we have a problem.
But come on, yawo. But me dina na so abol. E come on ya. Se nipa obodo onya bibi.
Nti okomunti ubeja onya mesoma to pansan.
Onya mesoma to pan but say so ade na wo ye se bi se so ye two offering the man.
E the man ye to offering man of wo. Ye to manyame. Ana
ye the se nkonya mo so for na this kind.
Oh my goodness.
It's in wo dey enya. The instrumentalist. Then
viewers, then I believe that I was here baby common grounds. Number one, the musicians in the church must make sure say there are three things. Either you declare yourself as a full-time musician. Because full-time musician, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Not just a honor. The church will take care of your accommodation, pay your snake and everything, your utility bills and blah blah blah. Are you getting me? And then there should be part-time musicians in the church where you don't go to church every day, maybe half of the week. All right, and then the church will meet you halfway. And then I believe there should be volunteers, because in all of these, the volunteers will be those who are working like a banker or somebody in engineer. You are just working, but you come to church to come and help church service. Now, and to me, and yes, I remember also, you see, we are helping people to build their positive worship life. Into here, the Nizanima way, send a bear musicians, me say, me unko sorry, some me instruments keke. Nemo me kosa me kosunya me. Then we are me gift and my talent now. What are sorry no. So the first thing to look at is this place my place of planting that I can serve God, I can bless, that I can worship the Lord, because it's all about you worshiping your God. And yes, sir, sikano betimi ama aba be block you ma untumi feel God ubetimi ayesa na de yahudie edwuma na wo ye ni biara Bible so say no me enka no enyame edwuma de biara
no me ne de ka enyina ke agibi.
You see, that is why you have to be on this show. Make sure you listen, you watch every episode, because we are in to help you build a positive worship life. Yes, you are an instrumentalist, you sing in church, you do all these things, but you must have a good heart. You must have the right heart to do this one, so that you don't do this with bitterness and partiality, because you don't need to do that. Otherwise, you have some questions to answer from God. Now, we are getting to wind down right now, but there's something I want to touch on this one. My brother, for instance, when you go to a church or minister, minim say what bompa your first be minister wa your bompa na nyamia catch your confirm say ko. So the moment say nyamia confirm say ko, it means say okwa go use you. Okwa onam so be ma hire bia ba manipa. Good. Intin fan say you invite me say member of church. Na nyame ahihye say me kwa miracle say besisi. Na me do am so 5,000 Alpha Mamia Minto. Now we are not so for me 5,000 or say memo 1,000. But say 1,000 is what what do you say about this?
First and foremost, make I say,
because the person About
and I'm so you now so by so ubedidi. The ten say ubedidi. They say musicians no baby now many they say team.
Kai. Come back we say
team. It's no many by it so I know can make say 5,000 or management him say 5,000. So when so for be kasa answer. So for you know intimia. Or the 5,000 means money or they so for 1,000 or them last try 4-5. Now or my dear no which it shouldn't supposed to be that.
That's right.
But yes, you will say nipa na obeto ni obebo ade no onso ye nipa sabi or abusua ejuma oye because it's very omo nye hwe. Osoya no pa bi o se dem obom pa na yakopon.
Because all times so for big go preach or so be odi ano.
Onia no but ye blessing the ministry. And I said can to phone any instrumentation say be so for so ebe blessing. Once the crowd be bless so papa boni no afa. But ye wa so for me so was one be one one can bra be you we boni. But
me question the pan say me nim se nyame na me so be insanchani bi o program na se na man ko na meja ho akono. What do you say about that?
It's a very
so it's a disappointment to who? You have disappointed who?
What disappointing more other church members no more ni nyina. What disappointing mu nyina because in Shanabana administration is also na aba. What disappointing but
on this note it means that we are disappointing Yankopon. So what we are trying to say is that in all the musicianship and everything artistry think of God first.
Sure.
And then make sure that you are divinely you are doing your assignment. Now, Oko baby na Shoreneka so to me and mouse amount sikana to me. Don't turn your back to the church.
Would be one chapel.
That's right. Don't turn your back to the church. Minister from your heart. All too soon our time is up. That is why you must be with me every episode. This is time where everyone will see. It's all about worship. We discuss worship, we study worship, we meet ministers like this, and we get into matters that are at heart. Are you getting me? And so make sure, I believe that you have already subscribed. I believe you've turned your notification button, and I'm expecting your comment section. Make sure go to the comment section, your questions, your contribution, put something there. I will have time to answer all those things, and make sure that you join me next episode on Time with Them. We'll see you. And then don't forget, it's Asida Radio on YouTube. We want to say a very big thank you to our guest in the house, Minister Nana Ejay. I think you have to come back.
Oh, sure.
We did,
because we
have to come back.
I saw for no name. That's what I'm sorry, Abo instrument.
Nana, me say one some kapa. So episode 2.
You be by to be aba. O kwa dey say mama no dey call until we yell.
Oh my God. If pastors are watching this and you are listening to this, please think about these things, because the boys that are working with you, think about them and make sure that you make sure you take care of them. So watch out for the part 2. God bless you. Much love.